Japan. Thank you so much for inviting us to this beautiful and gorgeous place. It has been 10 years since the first time I made a speech at this top 10 meeting. I still remember clearly like it was yesterday. At the time, I said I would be 60, but this time I promise I will be reaching 70 years old. Well, it is a great honor that my company JBM has kept the top position in the world Mastercam sales for the last 10 years. But I am recently aware that Andreas, the giant, is trying to steal my seat. This is good. I'm willing to put up the best fight to make a big deal for Mastercam World. And I would like to inform our recent results. In 2009, our company results were down 20% because we had suffered with bad economic influence from US. However, this year, 2010, we achieved 15% up from last year, and especially we did 180% up for ordinary profit. I believe this result was made by continuous development, product release, and suitable arrangement of talented employees. Now I am expecting that JBM will be able to achieve the best sales number and profit than ever. We will introduce a brand new Kao system called Jitan at CNC Tokyo. Kao means computer-aided optimization. And it is also JBM's 40 years anniversary. In Japan, there are only 0.2% of companies that survive after 30 years since its establishment. With 40 years of history behind our backs, JBM will contribute toward our target industry that we call monozukuri industry in Japanese, or in English, creation industry with Mastercam. By the way, unfortunately, I don't have anybody to take over my position yet. Well, I have a plan to give my position to someone younger next year. If anyone here want to have this position, please raise your hand. Good. Let's talk together after this meeting, but it will have to be Japanese, okay? Okay, let's put jokes aside. Well, on to the main subject now. First, I would like to congratulate the release of X5 this month. I deeply respect all development staff of CNC. As I have been saying since the release of X series. Of course, each enhancement of the new version are important, but also believe the yearly upgrade is more important to get all customers' confidence and trust. We too want to contribute and support Mastercam with C-Fix to improve customers' machining productivity so that Mastercam will continue to perform as the world's #1 CAM software. Finally, it has been 13 years since 1997. JVM and CNC began direct business. I am honored that I am able to retire without disappointing Gary, who had recommended the direct business with us. Thank you. I deeply appreciate Mark and Brian and all other CNC members. Thank you very much, and sayonara.